Assalamu alaikum. I have made light intensity system, and inside there is like when it's morning, this will detect that there's sunlight, so it will turn this LED off. And whenever it's evening or sunset, then this will detect this sensor will detect. It will read that it's dark a bit. Then it will turn the red LED on like this. Let's see. I put my hand here, and it's all dark with it. So that LED turned on. It's off because now this is detecting. Now when I put my hands away, off, here, on. That's all for today. I hope you like this video. Subscribe our video.